Hey, welcome to Florida Jeep Rides. Today we're going to answer a quick question. Does a $45 lockbox that goes under the seat of your Wrangler line up or stand up against the $80 lockbox? We're going to find out. I've heard they're identical. I have the $80 one in the 2007, but I bought a $45 Rocket Off-Road under the seat lockbox. Let me say right off the bat, it feels pretty much the same as the $80 one. Has the mounting hardware, has a felt pad just like the other one. This is the mounting hardware, this is the instructions, and then there's some zip ties. Two. Not going to tighten them till all four are in. The lockbox under between the two seats. Lockbox is now installed. Let me show you what we have. We have the lockbox goes underneath the seat. One of the bolts here goes on top of the seat foot. The other bolt goes underneath here. I use the original hardware from it that tucks underneath. The box is locked. It is secured. Inside, it's got fabric, rivets. The only thing that I did notice is everything is identical except for the lock itself. So here's the $80 one. Key is a little bit better. Pretty much the same thing. Everything is pretty much identical between those two. So the choice is yours. $45 lockbox, identical to the $80 lockbox. Thank you for watching Florida Jeep Rides. Thanks for watching a 2-Minute Tuesday. Have a great day.